Welcome to the board bar. This is our new house. I'm trying to get in shape for Ultra Shape 2026. I think I'm going to document my journey. So we've been doing base training and now I'm going to try raising my threshold so I can hold a higher pace. Something I'm going to do is start incorporating cross training, which I haven't been doing. I've probably only ridden it 5 times in the last 5 years. So I'm going to do a test today to see how in shape I'm on the bike. And then we're going to do some testing on the board. So I'm trying to figure out how to optimize some of my pushing. I'm doing an aerobic threshold test to figure out my limits on the bike, so that way I can design workouts that efficiently raise it. I'm about 25% slower than I used to be as a cyclist, but I'm thinking if I can raise my aerobic threshold this much for ultra skate, then I'll be much faster. Next, I'm going to be looking at timing on the board. So catch timing is when you're pushing relative to your board's acceleration. The idea is you optimize the timing of your push, kind of like in rowing, to get more power out of each push. Today I'm doing this on the treadmill though because I'm interested in calculating how much these accelerations, using an accelerometer, impact your energy losses, which you can then extrapolate to your wheels and board setup to get your total power loss. So understanding how acceleration impacts my wheels, as well as these 3D scanned multi-material drum tester I'm using to see how well my wheels roll on different surfaces, gives me an idea of what works best. This is like in my simplified longboarding calculator you could use to break down the different components of longboarding and see how those impact your top speed and efficiency. Finally, I ended the day doing some weights specific to longboarding, and I'll see you next week.